Hi guys, let's solve this question. Always start with parenthesis. 21 division 7 is 3. Next 7 into 3, 21. And finally 21 division 21 is 1. But sorry to say it is completely wrong. But why? Because math equations follow a particular order of operation known as PEMDAS, where you solve for parentheses first, then exponential, and next comes multiplication and division. Although multiplication is written first, they both have same priority. So which one to solve first? You'll understand better with this question. As parenthesis comes first, we'll solve 21 division 7, 3. Next, if inside parenthesis you only have a number, not an equation, on right of another number, always write it like multiplication. So now you have division and multiplication both. To know which one to solve first, take your equation from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it. In this case, 21 division 7 comes first. So 3 multiplied by 3, we get correct answer as 9.